In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update content on a WordPress website. Whether you're new to WordPress or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can confidently make changes to your website's content. Let's begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. If you haven't logged in before, you'll typically find the login page by adding wp-admin to your website's URL. Enter your username and password, and click Login. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new, as this is your command center for all things WordPress. Now, let's move on to editing an existing page. On the left-hand menu, locate and click on Pages. This will bring up a list of all the pages on your site. Browse through until you find the page you'd like to update, and click its title. This will open the page editor. Here, you can modify the text, images, and layout of your page. For text changes, simply click into any text box and begin typing. If you want to change an image, click on it, and a toolbar will appear, allowing you to replace it by uploading a new file or selecting one from your media library. When you're satisfied with your changes, don't forget to save your work. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see a Publish or Update button. Click it, and your changes will go live on the website. Be sure to preview your page before doing this to catch any errors. The Preview button is conveniently located right next to the Update button. If you need to create a new page, head back to the Pages section and click Add New. This opens up a blank page template where you can start fresh. Enter a title for your new page and start adding content. Remember, you can include text, images, embedded videos, or even use blocks to format your page for a more dynamic look. Once you're happy with your new page, click Publish. Lastly, if you want to reorganize your content, use the menu editor by navigating to Appearance and then Menus. Here, you can add your new pages to the main menu or rearrange existing menu items. Just drag and drop the items in the desired order, and click Save Menu to update the navigation structure on your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently update and manage content on your WordPress website. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be afraid to explore and experiment with the amazing features WordPress offers. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!